October 28, 2023, Teel Auctions will offer a beautifully restored 1950 Buick Super Riviera sedan. This car, with a gray exterior and 41,000 on the odometer, features whitewall tires, the Fireball engine, the Dynaflow automatic shifting system, a clock, and a cloth interior. When Buick introduced the Super Riviera, they called it the brightest, sportiest thing on wheels. With its sweeping styling, they said it looks like a convertible and gives almost as much visibility as a top-down convertible. The roomy interior seats 6, with lots of trunk space. Would you like to know how an American classic automobile like this drives? Let's go.